I have a client come in and we do general driving. There's some roundabouts, thoroughfares, curvy roads. It's really going to be a nice tutorial, so hopefully we can catch some good content. Always put on your seatbelt, drive safe, be aware of the road. We're coming up to an intersection, major thoroughfare. We're going to check our time. When it's clear, we're going to make our right turn. We have to look and check traffic. A lot of beginners will just pull out, so we have to look at traffic to the left and right. And I'm just inching forward, it's called showing the car. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm looking to the left, checking traffic. I'm going to wait, be patient, and just take my time. Here's my gap. And I'm going to go in the first lane. Actually, I'm going to go in the second lane because I need to make a left turn at the light. I'm looking ahead, vision in the turns. It's a beautiful day. It's about 85 degrees out. It's a little bright outside. This is a protected left turn. We have a green arrow. I'm going to make my left turn going really easy. You want to accelerate through your turn. Take your time. Every drive is different. We have a lot of people who are learning to drive. Some are very nervous, some are first time out, some are in the middle. It takes around 4 drives before you feel comfortable with the car, comfortable with your instructor. Some of the main reasons I see that people don't want to drive, they have Uber, they have Lyft, post-COVID, they're not really interested in driving, and they have parents to take them around to different locations. This is another protected left turn. We're going to come up to the stop line. And this is geared toward you passing your road test. All these things we talk about and all things you'll see today will help prepare you to pass your road test, because that's what it's all about. It's like a party bus. So I'm yielding for traffic and I'm waiting. If I was with my beginner right now, they would be very hesitant, very nervous. So I need to be patient. Then I make my turn. I look where I'm going. I want to wish you a good afternoon. Actually, good evening. Stay certified driving instructor. We're going to be teaching some drivers today, so I'm going to bring you along and talk about the process. Sorry about the bumpy road today. It's been a really busy day, good day. Having a lot of adults passing, getting their license, getting ready to get to the DMV. Hey, how are you doing? I know you're from the Chicago, Illinois area. How you doing, buddy? Nice to hear from you. Thank you. I always appreciate you coming in and saying hi. We're going to be driving for a 2-hour loop. I got my client there. We'll get in the car, get going, get them on the road immediately. And we want to have positive manifestation. We really want to do our best work. All right. And then I'm going to come in and go down the aisle. We're always watching for cars and people, trying to be as safe as possible. All right. I'm going to say hello and be nice. It's always about communication. Give me 1 second, please. What's going on, Solomon? How you doing, man? Mom? Say hi. gonna drive you around, roundabouts,
All right.
main roads. It's gonna be fun.
Okay.
Got a little training tutorial, so just kind of ignore that. People gonna pop in. Get comfortable. Whenever you're ready, put it in drive, brother. Yes. Squeeze, remember? There you go. Okay, go ahead and get this out here. Whoa. Take your time, big dog. Take your time. You ready? You ready? She ready. All right. We're going to get you on some really nice chill roads that are going to be fun for you, high interest. What I'm going to have you do, let's go ahead and make a right turn. I'm going to get you into some downtown areas, get you on some fast roads. We'll do some parking, turning, and then, of course, it's nice to see that your mother's happy.
Yeah.
With, and that's important because, you know, you're my last one, so I want to do a good job to get you out driving and really teach you and just let you be yourself. After today, you're going to have 3 hours, right? You right where you need?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Whoa, we already drove.
Unless today's a double.
Today is the double.
Okay, yeah. Then 3.
I got you. So you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. All right, let me go ahead and spot that around. All right. After you stop, make a left turn.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to keep this fun, chilled, relaxed. Everyone is driving really well. Good job, brother. Go ahead and make that left turn. Nice. Nice. Good job. At the light, make a right turn. Now, it's just you and your brother? Is that it?
I have 4 other siblings.
4 others. Are you the second oldest?
No, I'm the first. I'm the youngest.
You were the youngest?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, make a right turn at the light. You're going to like this route. It's real fun, smooth, relaxing. We'll get you downtown. You're going to see a lot of different things. We'll have you go down there a couple times. Yeah, pause, squeeze, take your time. You're right where you need to be whenever you want to scheduling just perfect, man. Whenever it's clear, brother. Whenever it's clear, stay in the first lane. First lane, keep it short. Love it, brother. Go get it, man. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You fine? Go get it. Nice job, man. You're doing great. Nice, nice, nice. Good. And then we're going to be reviewing all the course material tomorrow. I have my segment 2 on Tuesday, so you guys won't see me Tuesday, but you'll see me Monday. Getting down to the end, so we want to make sure all of you are doing well. Yeah. Take your time. Nice. We were in your area today, driving through your area. Lex lives. You'll go straight. You'll go straight. You can take your time. Go right up to the stop line. Be patient. Beautiful, man. Once you got into the vehicle, what was the easiest thing that you learned, and what was the most difficult thing? If you could pick 2 things to tell our beginning drivers, what was one hard thing for you to pick up?
I mean, the hardest thing is just like you can't be scared to be like going fast.
Okay.
Because in the beginning, like I was very cautious of how fast I was going, but that kind of caused me to go too slow.
Exactly.
But steering was probably the easiest.